In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Draw.io for sequence diagram. To get started, open the Draw.io editor, also known as diagrams.net, and look at the menu bar across the top of the screen. From there, click File, then choose New from the drop-down menu. This opens the template selection dialog, which is where you can create a new diagram from a preset layout instead of starting completely from scratch. Using a template is a great option if you want to work faster and keep your diagram organized from the beginning. Once the dialog box appears, move to the panel on the left side. At the top of that panel, you'll see a search box. Click into it, type sequence, and press enter on your keyboard. Draw.io will now show you several sequence diagram templates. Take a moment to browse through the available options and choose the one that best matches what you want to build. When you've found the right template, click on it, then select Create. A new dialog box will appear next. This is where you can set up the file before opening it. You can edit the file name, choose the file type, and decide where you want to save it. This part is helpful for keeping your work easy to find later, especially if you plan to create multiple diagrams. After you've made your selections, click Save. Now your sequence diagram template will open in the editor. At this point, you can begin customizing it. On the left panel, you'll find shapes and connectors that you can add to the canvas. These are useful for expanding the template or adjusting it to fit your exact process or interaction flow. If you want to edit an existing shape, object, or piece of text, simply click to select it, then use the Format panel on the right side to change its appearance, styling, or other properties. If you need to move something, select it and drag it to a new position. If you want to change its size, use the resize handles around the object. If rotation is available for that element, you can use the rotate handle near the top right area of the selection box. For text, click the text box or the shape that contains the text, then update the wording as needed. This makes it easy to tailor the template to your own use case without rebuilding the diagram manually. And that's it. That's how to create and edit a sequence diagram in Draw.io using a template.